This conference will now be recorded.
A very good afternoon, guys. So, is my voice audible to all? If my voice is audible, kindly say one in the
Yes,
chat.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, guys, first let us have an introduction, then only we can start this training part. So it is not an artificial intelligence. Don't make it like to computer science. Okay, we are moving to computer science. What background? Because I was told that the student are from civil engineering. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, student are from all branches, right? Huh? From
Okay.
civil also, from mechanical also, from CS also.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. So it will be a combined
Okay.
part of all
Yeah,
the
it will be a
domain of engineering.
combined training. Myself,
Okay.
Priyanshu Raj, startup coordinator, LNG
Okay.
Private
Okay.
Sector.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No issue at all. So, guys, starting with this from my introduction. Okay. First of all, I'm not a computer science engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer, but working into computer science field. So it's a completely whole switch. But my basic domain is data science. Okay. Presently, a part of Samsung. There, my role is into the electronics part. So we can say a clustered form of knowledge the industry is looking forward. And if I talked about startup, this whole workshop is actually in a pinpoint view towards startup. So I will be starting with that point. Okay. Going to artificial intelligence, people are imagining that, okay, if I do artificial intelligence, or artificial intelligence is going to be the future. That's right. That's 100% right. In each and every sector. Okay. I would just like to focus on one of the point in year 2010. Just imagine 10 years back, down the way. People used to say that if you take mechanical, civil, or electrical, you will have more jobs, and there is a more security of jobs, we can say, core. Scope बहुत है. In the same way people used to say now. Somebody used to ask your seniors what branch he should take or she should take. Take mechanical, take civil, take electrical, take electronics. Scope बहुत है. Now what happens? Due to automation, due to advancement in technology, due to reduction in manpower, and that manpower to be replaced by robots, that makes the scope very decrease. And why? What happened to these? This is just because the evolution of technology takes place. Now, till 2010, 2012, India was not in any of the race, not even industry, not even startup, not in artificial intelligence. In India, startups started in what sense? People used to say what sense? Because in a general way, from a marketing domain, I would like to toss one point. Just try to think. When you go to a highly reputed MNC, what the MNC looks in you? Do it look for your role? What is your interest? Do it look for your knowledge? No, no, no. It is looking only for its job role. If you are from IIM, okay, fine, we will hire you. At what cost? 20 LPA. Okay. You are from a normal college. Actually, we don't have any. What? We don't have any jobs. Now, there, when people don't find the jobs, they find their own way to develop their own business. Now, how these businesses came and how these businesses are overtaking those big MNCs. Now, if you are working in an MNC and suddenly, I'm not saying that it should happen, suddenly you had an accident. Okay. Now, that MNC will not take all your medical and all the things. It will give you some expense for a year. If you get well, you can join. If you don't, it will leave you. Okay. On your own. It will live on your own. Now, where you will find your place, where you will have your food, where you will have your living. Now, there comes the unorganized sector of India. Now, in India, we have two types of market, and we have two kinds of startup that are working in each market. One is organized market. Organized market means the market where the goods are sold by different MNCs like Flipkart, Amazon. You go to a site of Amazon, click on a particular product is your at home. Okay. Now, when those startups started, when Flipkart has started, they don't, first of all, they don't take charges on delivery. When nowadays we have to give some of the money to the delivery for if the product is less than 500 rupees. Now that is whole structured market. Now, Flipkart, Amazon, if I say Amazon, when they are in growing stage, when these startups are in growing stage, They are a part of unstructured market. Now, what is basically unstructured market? Can anybody let me know? From that point, we can start thinking, okay, if I want to make a startup, I can make a startup. I will talk each domain startup. I will not only cover mechanical, electrical. I will talk about computer science also. I'll talk about CS also. I will talk about civil also, and whole lot. So can anybody let me know what do you understand by unstructured market? You all see that market daily. Just try to think, what do you understand by unstructured market? If I say about a startup, I want to open a startup, first of all, I have to look at the market. Now, if I'm saying unstructured market, what it means? Anybody, anything came to your mind, you can say. It should be one-to-one talk. Okay, because I'm also opening a startup. If you are planning, you can also open a startup. Now, what are the things you should look forward? Okay, so I don't have any answers from you. Okay, no issue at all. Sometimes it happens, people don't have any idea. Okay, guys, unstructured market. Okay, you go to Connaught Place in Delhi, you go to CP. Okay, now there you have two types of people. One who buys a very fancy shops and have different type of brands which are available at that place. And you go into the shop, you ask the shopkeeper, okay, what's the price? And he provide to you the price, and you just purchase of it. Now that is called structured form. Some big dealer giving the product, he is displaying the product, showcasing all, and now he is selling back to you. That is form of structured one. Now, the second form of startups came into play, that is unstructured. Now, what is unstructured? Okay, just try to think of a bookseller on a red light. Okay, you are driving a car, आप कार ड्राइव कर रहे हो और सडनली क्या होता है, आप एक स्टॉप पर रुकते हैं और एक वहां पे एक बुक सेलर है और बुक सेलर के पास क्या है, बहुत सिलेक्टेड लिमिटेड ऑफ बुक्स हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज ही डोंट हैव एनी वेबसाइट. He has to carry those books which are demanding in the market, which are consumed by the users, which are read by the users. Okay, now you have a very strict market, and that particular market is changing every 3 months, because in every 3 months there is some new novel coming in the market, or some other movies coming in the market, or some other Chinese toy coming in the market. They have to change their whole market model or the EPR model to survive in the market. Now that is called some sense of unstructured model or unstructured market. Now startup has been derived from two paths. One is structure market, unstructured market. First of all, in India, we cannot directly pitch the structure market or open a startup. Okay, we have to move to, first of all, unstructured market, because in India, everybody is not earning 1 lakh per month. People are earning 5,000. So we have to create a product which is, or which can be brought by those people who is earning 5,000. We should not make a product which is only earned by a person who is earning 1 lakh. Okay, a very small story. You know that a very famous detergent powder, I'm like to say Nirma. Okay, now that was a startup when that person used to sell those in small pouches to every vendors. Okay, take my product, have it, and if it is sold, then pay me. But nowadays what happened, people used to take franchisee of it. Now that is called whole transformation. So starting with the point, as the session started for the day, I'm talking about more on startup. Then after that, we'll move to artificial intelligence, and you will be combiningly know how we can transform a problem, human problem, to into a business problem, and business problem to an artificial intelligence problem, because there are multiple variety of problem going on. Now, coming to the equation. Now you will say, sir, I want to cook a food. Okay, and my food will be presented to the best chef of the world. So I need to have a very good recipe for it. Okay, so each startup has its own recipe. Now, if you are if you're a science person or engineering graduate, you always think about equations, and equations which fulfill the market. Now here comes the equation of startup. So in this particular format, you will be seeing that I have divided the startup into 4 different phases. First is the new business, what you are trying to open. Second is innovation. What is the innovation? For example, there are automobile sector. You all believe in an automobile. You drive a car. Okay. Now there are varieties of car, that is petrol and diesel. Okay. CNG and other stuff is also available. Now what happens? This Tesla Motors, Elon Musk, he know that this particular thing's going to be end at one point of the moment. We have to move down towards alternative source. Okay. Now that innovation leads to the birth of hybrid cars, that is electric plus petrol. So there the innovation leads to technology, because there was a huge challenge, because when a mechanical person knows, when we are driving on what we are driving on petrol, then the engine is used to create a little bit more energy as compared to an electric pulse or electric generating motor. Then we have to combine mechanical electrical engineering with a combination effect of IoT. Now there's some technology. At the last is passion. What's your passion about the business? When you are combining all these four different salts to the equation of startup, there your startup came into picture. Now starting with this, now we will have a very beautiful story about startup. You will be amazed to know that startup doesn't mean that you should MBA graduate from IIM or an IITN or an NITN or a normal college engineering. No, it's not like that. Okay, so starting with this, okay, so when you have problems, okay, when you have problems now, you comes with creative minds. First of all, if you don't have problem, if you are in comfort zone, you will not progress, you will not think, you will not have any idea out of box. If you have a problem now, you will think. For example, I just take a very basic problem. Suppose your college is situated out of city, okay, and you are a bunch of students who are planning to go to college, but you don't have a proper conveyance. Now what you will do? Either you will buy a small car, collect the money, or buy some small vehicle so that you all can occupy the vehicle, move to college and back to home. That can be some sort of innovative idea, or you will make out from the scratch for your own. Now when you have some problem, you go for innovative ideas. Now how these ideas are being made? First of all, okay, now the idea, when you heard about Ola, so how many of you have traveled about Ola? And how AI is actually indulged in Ola? I will like to tell you that also. Uber, okay, how many have used Ola? How many have used Uber? Guys, I want response from your side. It shouldn't be like that. I am talking, okay, 1 hour is completed. I just put off the mic off, close the session. Okay, the session is over. It's not like that, guys. If I am giving my 1 hour, precious 1 hour, you should also spend 1 hour with me so that you can have one-to-one conversation with me. For example, I am waiting at IGI airport, okay, or I am waiting at Jaipur airport, okay, and I want to move down towards the second end of Jaipur, okay. Now I'm a new person. I don't know the falling rates of Jaipur. I ask a person, what you will take? He say, I will take 2000 rupees. Now 2000 is not the genuine cost. Now there comes the idea, why not make a transparency type of medium from where a person who is belonging from USA, who is belonging from Canada, who is belonging from New Zealand, who is belonging from Japan, who is belonging from India itself, can book a ride to the spot where he want to go without having any fraud or being cheated. Now, you know, if you have traveled by taxi or you have taken a auto, you know that people used to cheat the client or the customer. Now, if you are living in Delhi and you ask an auto wala, okay, from CP, take me to the Gurdwara, he will ask you to pay 400 or 300 rupees. Okay, now that's what the price. But If you take metro, it will only take or cost you 10 rupees. Now that is a huge difference. So now that point, these two persons who have invented or started this particular startup, that is what? Ola and Uber. Now there is a problem they have solved. They have actually solved the human problem. That's why these two things become famous. Now you will say, okay, how AI has been working and how artificial intelligence is working. Okay, now suppose you got a job in Gurgaon, okay, sector 21 Udyog Vihari, and you are working in EY, Ernest Young, or you are working in Accenture, or you are working in Deloitte, some or the other way. Now what happens? You are going 9 a.m. Just note the time. You are going 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m. Now these are office hours on a normal day. And office hours means peak hours, means you will be cost much higher. Now how the application of Ola or Uber knows that what should the price it will predict for you? Do it have any imaginary person sitting in each application or mobile phones who is going to predict, okay, your app you will going to charge 80 rupees, okay, you are very favorite customer of mine, okay, no, I will give you 10-20% discount. It is not like so that. Now how these application are predicting or calculating what is the time and what should be the price? Now there comes the field of artificial intelligence that is being indulged with each applications. Okay, now moving down toward the second stuff. Have you heard about this, Grofers? I haven't bought anything from it, but maximum of my friend buys. But just try to imagine. Have you ever think that this small idea of taking the product, supplying to homes can become a startup? Because these things people used to do. If you are having a kirana store and the kirana person knows you well, you give him the order on WhatsApp, okay, and he will pack the order and provide it to your at your home. But that is on a very small scale. I'm not talking about a very small scale. I'm not talking about a small community. I'm talking at a level of whole country or at a level of whole globe. Okay, we are covering a globe. We are not covering a small area. Okay. Raju Bhaiya, 1 kg sugar and 1 kg tea. Just pack it and give it to me. It's not like that. There is no Raju Bhaiya at all. Okay, and no Babu Rao at all. So we have to move down towards a person who will be a digital mode. Now digital modes come into play. Now you will say, sir, I am a civil engineer. I am a mechanical engineer. How I can develop this website? How can I develop this application? Now from tomorrow you will be amazed to know that each person, if you have a small understanding about things, how the things is going to made, you can create your own stuff. You can create anything from a thin air. Now coding is very easy. Why? Because the language are high level. If I compare 2010 or 2012, those time the language are not so high level. There is an intermediate level, so you have to create whatever you want. Today everything is pre-created. You only have to say, okay, I want to use this, call this. If I want to use this, you can call this. Now that is a pure mixed blend of each industry. Now just imagine you are opening a kirana store. I'm not saying you're opening a kirana store, you're opening a mall. Okay, now for opening a mall and managing the mall, you need to have an MBA degree. That's what market says. Do a kirana person have an MBA degree? Or do any third party person do have any MBA degree? No, it's not like that. So each startup, we don't have any kind of degree. We only need to have an idea. Moving down towards the next idea. Now these are already idea which are previously made. Okay, you don't have any new idea from it, but again the things came into play. You can take or start a new idea from being into the uncomfortable zone. Now there was a person who have a dog. Okay, now that dog was an American Husky and he used to shed his hair. उसके क्या होते जो बाल होते ना वो झड़ते थे. Now he was very I can say irritated or very angry why this animal is having a lot of hair here and there. Now he invented the brush. Now that brush nearly cost $10. Okay, now that small brush can help a person to comb the hair of a dog so that the hair do not fly here and there. Now that $10 product makes him millionaire. Now that is transformation, a very small idea, very basic idea transformed to the whole globe. Why? Because each dog lover wants to have that brush. Each person who is handling a pet needs that brush. Now that idea should be adopted by a local community rather than a millionaire or a billionaire community. Now somebody used to have enjoy books. Okay, I don't like reading books. Okay, I like to. Now what I have created, I will show that stuff also. If you want any help, you can take help from me also. Okay, no issue at all. Now in this particular screen, you will see that people used to have a book, and nowadays there is a I can say device called Kindle. Now on that people used to read. Whenever I see people in metro, people used to read on that. Okay, one day I thought, why shouldn't I make an application, a GUI based application using Python, that I only have to select the file and I only have to insert the page number and my application will read that file for me. Now that is found to be innovative. Now with that application, I can directly come into the market, and if I sold that particular application for 10 rupees, just try to imagine for the calculation. You should be a very calculative if you are a business person or a business minded person. Okay, just guys try to think. I'm selling an app. I'm selling a very small app. You only have to select a PDF file you want to read. Click on the page. Just click on read mode. You have two choices. If you want to listen in a male voice, you can go for male voice. If you want to listen in a female voice, you can go for a female voice. Okay, now you sell that particular application for 10 rupees. Okay, on Google Play Store or any other form. Just try to think, if the Kindle or that application is being used by 1 million, I'm saying 1 million. Okay, if I say 10 million, and book reading and book lovers are all around the globe. Okay, and people used to listen much more interestingly rather than reading the stuff. Okay, so if I say I have 10 to the power of 7 people who had buy my product, so what amount you have generated from a small base application? What amount you have generated? You have generated, I think, something like this. 10, 8. It means you are very close to a billionaire. You are much more than a millionaire, but you are just close to billionaire. And what amount it cost? 0 rupees. Why? Because programming language are free of cost. They're easily available to all. You can download it, you can practice it. Now, in the same sense, you have seen that there is a startup of e-rickshaw. Now, you have seen e-rickshaw everywhere in Delhi or everywhere in the people you are staying at the place where you are actually staying present. Now you have seen, okay, now there is one Indian brand which is manufacturing it. Okay, now suppose an e-rickshaw cost a person 10,000 rupees. Okay, and the manufacturing of that e-rickshaw cost near about 7,000 rupees. Okay, and you don't think that there are 10 to power 7, 10 to power 7 people who are buying this e-rickshaw. Now in that manufacturing, a person is only saving 3,000. It is not saving much more. But if I'm talking about the computer science domain, a person who do not invest anything, who only have the sense of knowledge about coding, has made much more than a manufacturing unit, more than the people who are serving there. He only have to code, write a code of 100 to 200 lines, patch up with an application, form it with an Android based application or a web based application. Hosting for an year can take around to 7,000 or 8,000. Better hosting, better place, better hold on, multi-threading purposes and all the stuff, and there you are on the way. You only spend 10,000 and you are creating millions. Okay, for example, I would like to toss a name. You have heard, I don't know, you have not heard, Ivan Luthra. Now Ivan Luthra is one of the brilliant of, or I can say, Hall of Fame. People used to call Hall of Fame. There is a, if you have a picture in the Hall of Fame, you are very best person in the field of startup. Now he is a young startup or entrepreneur, I can say, who is a millionaire. Now not in the sense of Indian rupees, in the sense of euros. Okay, but he is an Indian, he lives in Noida. Now that comes why. Up, just try to think. You go to a pub, okay, you go to a bar or a pub, and you find a place to sit, okay, or you go to a restaurant and find a place to sit. Now what was his idea? He has made an application on which a person can pre-book in a restaurant, a person can pre-book in a bar, what time, how many people are coming, so the bar will just uh, book a table for him. Now that is called some sort of innovation, because he know people will not stop partying, people not will not stop going to bar, people will not stop drinking, people will not stop spending money on gambling. Now that is the core source of business. He is not any alcoholic person, he don't drink. People used to think, okay, millionaire used to drink. No, 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 it's not like that. The product which people like, you only have to make them. And an entrepreneur is a person who fools the people, not to make them comfort. Okay, so coming down in the line, we have another idea, that is the hotel services. Okay, now Taj is a very luxurious hotel, all people cannot afford. Okay, now there is a competitor in that particular field, Oyo Rooms. Okay, now there was a person, Agrawal, I don't remember his name, first name. What happens? He was going to a place and he finds that the hotels are pretty costly. He cannot buy, he cannot afford that point. Okay, now what mind he generated? Okay, peoples have a good homes, homestays are there. Okay, now why not connect these homestays? Why not connect a small scale hotel, a very small scale hotel? Now suppose there is a hotel which only have 5 rooms. Okay, now that hotel cannot do much business, but when it connect to a network, when it connect to a chain of hotels, it can also grab some revenue. Now that point, this OU rooms become successful. Okay, now if I compare with Zolo Stay, GoIbibo, now they are little bit more in higher rate as compared to Olo. Oyo maybe generally understand as a lifeline for the people who don't earn much, but to have comfort like a king. We can just have a guideline for that. Coming to the next startup, shopping malls everywhere, Myntra, Flipkart, Snapdeal. Okay, now a very good question can be heard from a person who is thinking of a startup. Just try to think. Flipkart becomes more famous and Snapdeal do not have any influence on the market. What happens, guys? What happened? Do you think that Snapdeal was cheating people, or Snapdeal was not as appropriate that Flipkart was providing the product to the customer? Whatever you think, you can just let me know in the chat window, guys. What do you think? Do Flipkart was offering more or Snapdeal was offering more? Now there is a key concept of artificial intelligence that came into play. I'll be letting you know what AI has started into play for Flipkart, and when Snapdeal was on the way, it was not able to implement. And why was the reason they failed? Okay, anyone like to comment on this point? Why Snapdeal did not able to make, and why Flipkart has exploded in growth? Guys, I think we should have one-to-one conversation. No, otherwise, if I'm talking only lack of data management, one point I can say, the best point we can say lack of data management. Another one, और गाइस मैकेनिकल सिविल वाले भी अपनी तरफ से कुछ बोल सकते हैं, उनको जो ठीक लगे कि सर प्रोडक्ट थर्ड क्लास थे, ये भी बोला जा सकता है. आई टोटली एग्री दैट द प्रोडक्ट्स offered by Snapdeals was duplicate. They are first copy. They are selling first copies. That can also have a degrading point for Snapdeal. Okay, now all these things came into play and have hit Snapdeal a very in a drastic form. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Now, Food Panda, Zomato, you are already aware of these things. They have also grabbed a whole market. They have also make some sort of fancy things. Okay. Now, with respect to that, just give me 1 second. Okay, fine. So starting with the startups and startups in India now, When Modi came into power, you have also heard about Make in India plan. Okay. And nowadays, recently, when there was a COVID 2020, COVID-19, the COVID new version has just recently launched in England 2.0. Okay. But when the COVID was there was a campaign of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And Atmanirbhar Bharat was directly influenced to startups. You also know that many companies has shut down. Okay, the products are not being manufactured. Now, what at that stage, people have manufactured product at their home. Now, somebody who is good in weaving, जिसको सिलाई अच्छी तरीके से आती थी, जिसे डिजाइनिंग करना अच्छी तरीके से आती थी, he buy a good amount of cloth from the market. Okay, bring at his home, cut into pieces, form different kind of mask. Each mask was sold at a price of 5 rupees. Total cost in forming the mask was 2 rupees. Profit was 3 rupees. Cut to cut. Now that is not a very large scale enter or a large scale industry working. There is a CEO, a manager, a CFM, CFO. Each people worker are coming working for 24-hour shift. No, there was a family. There was individual who are working voluntarily, going and selling their mask on different type of red light or on a shop. Now that formation of business can be transformed into a large scale. And what China has done, if you heard about different type of scenarios, what happens, you have not heard, I think so, there was a person, what happens, there was a person who has went to Japan. Okay, and what he did, he knows that China is suffering from virus. He brought all the masks from the market of Japan. And when the COVID hits Japan, there was no mask in the market. Now that Chinese man, what he does, he used to sell those masks online. He make a website for this. You want to buy a mask, you can contact me. Now that Chinese man becomes a millionaire with the help of fundamental idea because he grabbed that opportunity at that point of moment. Now you only the thing is that if you are going for a startup, you have to understand what is the market, what we have to plan, and what not to do. There is a point what not to do. I would like to tell you that also. What startup means? There are should some guidelines and points what actual startup means. Okay, startup first point can start a private company or a registered partnership firm or LPP or registered in India not prior to 5 year. आपकी कंपनी 5 साल से छोटी होनी चाहिए. दूसरी चीज, आपका जो रेवेन्यू है ना वो 25 करोड़ से कम का होना चाहिए. उसके बाद आपका जो आइडिया है ना, देखो अब आप कोई भी आइडिया लो, कोई भी एंटिटी आप एस्टेब्लिश करो, तो आपका जो बिजनेस है ना उस एग्जिस्टिंग मार्केट को फोकस करने लायक होना चाहिए. क्योंकि अब आप सोचो, अगर मैं स्टार्टअप को 3 बेसिक टर्म्स में डिवाइड करता हूं, तो जस्ट लेट मी गिव मी 1 सेकेंड. If I divide the startup point into segregating into 3 points. For according to me, I am also a person who has started some good products. So in the market, I divide my idea or my kind of thing, my thinking into 3 points, only 3 points. First, what product you are going to showcase in the market. Now, what technology it is using. Okay. What customer do we have to pitch? And before that, the first point, funding. Who will going to fund us? Because opening a startup needs to have an office. Opening a startup needs to have some expense. Now, I'm earning, okay, what my saving is of my salary, I invest in the business. Now, that is not a business idea. Business idea means you are doing business on another money, on some other people's money. You are generating business to them, you are paying their shares, and you are grabbing your own profit. You don't have to take money from your pocket and invest in your business. No, you have to first of all find the investors who is going to invest in all. And if you're talking about startup hub, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, these are the startup hubs. You won't find many startup in Noida, you won't find many startup in Gurgaon. or you won't find many startup in Chandigarh, but you will find different kinds of startups in Hyderabad. You'll find startup in Pune. You will find startups in Bangalore, like Tridence. Now, Tridence is an analytics group, which is a startup of a US based company. Very confinedly say, I can directly say that is a pharmaceutical company of US, which is giving analytics form of knowledge to Tridence. Now, Tridence is working in the field of analytics. It is a very small startup. Now, that things you should have a funding for it. Funding plus you should have a client for this who will be going to buy your product. Okay, now these four things, if you plan accordingly, you can directly start your startup, or startup can be in any field. So I'll be coming to that particular point, but grabbing this particular thing down, just let me come down. Okay, now this is not to be understand much more. So a startup plan, what the government is trying to help, or what the government is trying to make it through. But if anybody is planning to understand AI and the field from which he can start startup, so you have heard about IIT Delhi, you have heard about different IITs. Now within IITs you have incubators labs. Okay, there are some small research departments which are made by the government. You can also participate in that. It is not like that if you are not an IIT and you cannot go into IIT, you cannot work there. You have to find the official website, go there, just mail them about your research work. I want to do research in that. If your research work is relevant to the current scenario, they will drop you a mail. They will call you, you will have an interview, and you can work there, and you can use their resources to start up your own startups. Now that is something innovative by the Modi government. Now, business versus startup, there are two things you have to think in mind before moving towards any startup. First of all, there comes some sort of business. And one is
Sir,
pardon me.
I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Government of India, I have seen the Startup India's website, and it is specifically mentioned that for particular state, there are various fields that only in that field they provide some startup
Exactly.
money for any startup.
Exactly.
Like
Now, what?
like Bihar,
Yeah.
health, education, and nutrition. These are only three fields
Okay.
for which they
Okay.
fund
Okay.
money.
Okay, ठीक है. Bihar education. I'm taking education. Just try to think the idea. You can also make. Okay, dear. Just try to think. Okay. Now, in Bihar, you know that many people do IAS, IPS. Maximum people from Bihar. Okay. Now, somebody says that Bihar do not have much minded people. I don't agree. No, the lack of resource and implementation is a main cause that people from Bihar are mainly illiterate. Why? Because those who get education, they go to a higher place. Those who don't get education still stay there. Now, if you had a startup, now what startup you can create? Now you will thinking, okay, what a startup I can create in this lockdown? Oh, I don't have any idea. Just try to think of one small point. Okay, you started an e-tech education. You started an e-tech education. You are from Bihar. You know what are things. Now you have 2 points. You don't have heard about. There is an organization called Wheels Foundation. That is a US based organization. That is a non-profit organization. It is situated in Maryland, USA. Now what they are doing, it was started by IITians. Okay, so what they are doing, they are moving to village and providing them resources. Now what resource it can be? Now e-tech education is not directly sending a person to the village, okay, and making them learn. Why? Because वो तो यार एक छोटे से स्कूल में टीचर भी कर लेगा. Now what is your innovative field in it? Your innovative field can be, first point, you can start with, okay, you can approach the government and ask them, those student who are studying in class 8th, okay, क्योंकि 8th क्लास से या 9th क्लास से एक स्टूडेंट अपने हॉबी या अपने जो होता है ना, क्या कहते हैं, इंटरेस्ट, उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपना करियर बना सकता है. Now you will say, sir, why USA is very emerging economy, why there are more scientists, why they are farly advanced in technology. Do you know one thing? In USA, you don't have any age for education. You don't have any. You don't have to pay a single penny for education. If you are a citizen of USA, many states of USA have free education. There is no age of education. But in India, if you are 25, you cannot do your graduation. If you are 30, oh yaar, ye to 30 ka ho gaya, ye kya graduation karega? Now that point hits the most. You can start for your government. You can say, okay, we are collaborating. We are collaborating with colleges. Okay. Now you have to collaborate with college and the villagers who don't have money to go to the college. You can bring the college to the home. Now, if a person who is very interested to study, he will definitely study online or have some sort of medium. Now, from there, you can ask government to fund you. You have funding from the government. Okay, government is giving 25 lakhs. You have to show all the paperwork that where you are going to spend, where you are going to collaborate with what colleges, what degree you are providing. Now, you have to think according to the plan. Now, suppose there is a factory which is going to be planted in Bihar. Okay, I'm taking a very small example. There is a steel factory. Suppose in Bihar, Patna, there is a steel factory which is going to be deployed. Now, just give me some information. What type of job role do the steel factory have? I think first of all, they will hire some workers. Okay. Second, they will hire some supervisors. Third, they will hire from some of engineers. Yes or no? Okay. Now just try to imagine. You don't have to focus on these two fields because these two fields are being already created. ये सारे लोग already society में exist करते हैं. You have to work for both. You have to work for these people. If you provide a prior training so that they can directly easily get a job, and if you have a collaboration with the government, okay, we will teach people what type of work there, we will give them experience, we'll give them skill. Now there is a small thing that MSME is working on it. You know, MSMEs are working. Now what are they? They are governmentally funded, but they are government organization. Now you're not a government organization, but you can collaborate with the government. But in India, there is a very backside of it also, that if you have connection, then only the startup or things you will get the money. If you don't have connection, if you don't bribe people, you will not get a single penny out of them. There is some drawbacks, but the system is getting filter day by day. Things are getting transparent. Why? Because the digital payment mode, the things are getting digital. Now that point you can save a lot of time. But yeah, idea can be started from that point of also. ठीक है ना? तो स्टार्टअप कहीं से भी आ सकता है. अब पॉइंट वहीं पर है कि सर स्टार्टअप ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा या हमारा जो बिजनेस प्लान होता वो. क्योंकि देखो, अगर आप केवल बिजनेस के हिसाब से अपने स्टार्टअप को रन करेंगे, then you will be a failure towards it. You have to think according to both, as a business, as a startup. So there are two plans. One is business and other is startup. Okay. Now you can see there was a business person who started Big Bazaar. Now Big Bazaar is selling each thing what Flipkart is selling. Okay. Now there are 2 points I would like to toss here. 2 point है. एक बात बताना guys, बिग बाजार को एक बिल्डिंग हायर लेनी पड़ती है, बिल्डिंग रेंट पर लेनी पड़ती है, वहां वो अपने प्रोडक्ट रखते हैं और उन सारे प्रोडक्ट में आपको बहुत तरह की वैरायटी नहीं मिलेंगी. Whereas Flipkart, they don't have any building, they don't have anything, they have virtual environment created for the user. You come shop anything, you will find multiple thousands of brand, multiple thousands of sizes, multiple thousands of product. You can compare multiple product and find your best. Now there comes the idea of startup. Now that is a startup and Big Bazaar is a business. Same way, Miro. Now at the last, what is that country has 35% of Indian population, they are youth and they are very freely minded and they can think much. Now it is not like that. India means needs more entrepreneur. अगर एक बात बताओ, सब entrepreneur बन जाएंगे तो फिर जॉब कौन करेगा? ठीक है. So the thing is not that like in Delhi, you won't believe, if there is an organization, I take about IBM. Okay, now IBM is very big organization. It has government project also, semi-government project also, and private sector project also. Okay, now a person who is working as an artificial intelligence expert or a data scientist thinks that let us drop our job and go with a startup. Okay, now he has a knowledge how to grab the data, how to draw insight from the data. Now what is data? I will like to tell you that also, what is not like that. But he don't know how to grab the customer. एक छोटी सी story बताता हूँ startup के form में. Now you have heard about car exhibitions. There are different type of car exhibitions going in Delhi. Now there was a CEO of a startup standing with his whole team and discussing what we will discuss, what will we showcase, what the features of a car will showcasing today, so that our car can become famous and we can have a good type of customer. Okay. Now there was a beggar who was standing there. He came to the person and asked the CEO for the money. CEO didn't reply. He go again and again and again. One point CEO becomes what? Irritated. बहुत ज़्यादा चिढ़ गया. He tried to search his pocket. He couldn't find change of money, but those who are employed by the CEO take 10 rupees and provide it to the beggar. The beggar went away. Okay. Soon his brother came and asked where you grab this money. He indicated that person. He don't indicated that person where. Those people who give him the money. He indicated that person who has the authority to provide you the money. So when you are going for any startup funding, you don't have to approach the person who will provide you. You have to approach for the person who will authorize to have that amount. And that is when you have that kind of mind for a startup, you will definitely become your entrepreneur or any person like Mark Zuckerberg, anything. So these are the best startups that have emerged by the youth. At the age doesn't count, you also know, but the best startup from India, I'm not talking about Mark Zuckerberg or some other people, I'm talking about this. Okay, so now you can have your own business mind. So some took the initiative to work outside the domain. Now here you have to play, guys. I have total 15 participants with me. Okay, just try to think yourself. You are from different background. Okay, but you all are friends. Okay, within background, nobody can perform good. But when you combine background, you can form a very good stuff that can be sold to anyone. Now, Flipkart was designed by an engineer. Alibaba was designed by a teacher. Oyo, designed by a college dropout. Book My Show, designed by an MBA. And designed by many things like Being Human. Now, Being Human was not designed by Salman Khan. First of all, Salman Khan only invest in it. People are working over it. Now, Paytm. If you heard about the Paytm story, now you will be laughing at how this particular person, the Paytm person, it's not the correct story, I think. But yeah, what the story rumors in Noida, this person used to sell the stolen goods of computer accessories in Sector 18, and there was a raid by the police that time. When this digital payment or digital transformation of India came into play, he thought about the idea of digital payment, provide a good cashback and become popular. And from that point of moment, you know Paytm. You don't remember Paytm in the year 2005 or 6. You remember Paytm from the year 2015 and 16. When Paytm starts giving cashback, there the time you have two competitors came into the market, PhonePe and Google Pay. Previously, both of these used to give a very good amount. If you go for 100 rupees transaction, you will have the guarantee cashback of 5 rupees, 10 rupees. What happens today? You go for a 1,50,000 transaction. No, you won't get a single penny. You will get a scratch card and it will say, oops, bad luck, try it again. Now they are saving the money. Previously, they have given you a lot of money. Now they are taking the money back from you. So that is called the power to think what your product is useful. क्योंकि सभी को पता है guys, आप लोग अब कोई भी पॉकेट में पैसे कैरी नहीं करता है, सब किस में कैरी करते हैं, फोन में. देयर इज अ फोन वॉलेट और पेटीएम कर देंगे, और इवन अ स्मॉल चाट वाला, और इवन अ स्मॉल पानी पूरी वाला, और even a small shoe cobbler also have Paytm account. Okay, now just look at, now they are belonging from an unstructured market. Okay, they are belonging from unstructured market, but they are using an application of a structured market. Now Paytm is a structured market, it is not an unstructured market, but unstructured market is using support of application which was designed once by a unstructured market only. So you have to start your startup from an unstructured market, move down towards structure market, then you have to provide this application to an unstructured market, and then you have to only, what you have to do, you have to grab the thing. Just, you have heard about Paisa Bazaar and Policy Bazaar? Have you heard about Paisa Bazaar and Policy Bazaar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what they do basically, do you have any idea what they do? You can compare the policies, you can buy a policy from them. What they are actually doing, they are selling the product of banks. They are selling the product of different type of bank, whether it is HDFC, whether it is Deutsche Bank, whether it's RBC, whether it is Royal Bank of Scotland, any bank, they are only selling their product. If they sell their product, they will have a cut of that, and from the cut they are actually generating revenue. And in that company there are 10,000 workers. Now just imagine, by a small cut they are actually paying the I can say so the money or the salary of 10,000 workers. Idea was very small, you are only selling somebody's product on your medium. All these things, what it cost, it only cost a website, it only cost data management team, it only cost a server, it do not require any manufacturing unit, it do not require anything. Now that was completely whole IT CS guy. One comes for a mechanical or a civil person. Okay guys, coming to a very basic startup. Okay, whenever you move to a village, you have seen that there is a brick furnace. I can say brick furnace, which used to produce bricks. Okay, people used to work there, and but nowadays what happened, you have seen, if you move to Bangalore, no, if you move to Gurgaon, people don't use brick, people use some other kind of brick. I don't remember that is ACC or RCC, or I don't remember the name because I don't belong from that background. I have a little bit confusion that but I was reading an article which was said that a startup is actually creating these type of blocks, and these type of blocks are cheaper than a brick. If you are using one column or one whole structure for that, you can replace 10 bricks. So there was a good startup. Now you have also heard about manufacturing of tiles, sheets from plastic. Now these are only 4 plants which are working in India. One is in Pune, 2 alternative plants are in Rajasthan. Okay, and one, I think they are going to open in Delhi also. We have 4 plants now. Actually 3 plants are working, 4 is in planning. So this can be also. Now you have not heard about tiles, what tiles you are using in your kitchen or your bathrooms. They are made from plastics. So any idea can be generated from scratch. It can come from anywhere. A person who don't know anything, who is an illiterate person, that people can also do a startup. A people who have MBA degrees, then that also person can do a startup. Okay, now startup don't have any limit for that. Coming to the point, how artificial intelligence going to help in startups. Now the things guys came here, how artificial intelligence came into this point. Guys, you know that how to grab the client, you know where you are going to be funded, you know what product you are launching, you know what technology you are using. Now here comes, who will be your customer. ये कैसे पता पड़ेगा कस्टमर कौन है? उसके लिए गाइस आपको थोड़ा हेल्प लेना पड़ेगा किसका, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का. अब एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल फ्लिपकार्ट से लेते हैं गाइस. ठीक है, फ्लिपकार्ट, या आजकल सारे लोग, अब गाइस कॉलेज ऑफ थे, ठीक है, लॉकडाउन में करने को कुछ था नहीं, पढ़ना तो जो हो रहा था. वेब सीरीज बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंडिंग में रही. आई होप आप सबको भी वेब सीरीज काफी पसंद होंगी. और वेब सीरीज के मामले में इसका सबसे आगे नाम चलता है, एग्री और नॉट, नेटफ्लिक्स। तो गाइस मेरे पास एक पर्सन ए है, ठीक है, इसको मूवीज देखना बहुत पसंद है और इसको हॉरर मूवी देखना पसंद है, ठीक है। अब नेटफ्लिक्स उसने कितने, एक वीक यूज करा और एक वीक में उसने मैक्सिमम हॉरर मूवीज देखी, ओके। अब वो नेक्स्ट वीक आया नेटफ्लिक्स अकाउंट पे अपने, तो गाइस अब सोचना नेटफ्लिक्स उसको किस तरह की मूवीज दिखाएगा, हॉरर दिखाएगा, रोमांटिक दिखाएगा,
Horror.
horror, obviously that's what I was looking forward. Now how it is working, it is working on the base of artificial intelligence, and the main phase comes here is recommendation systems. किसी को रिकमेंड करना, कहते हैं ना कि यार मैं ना एक स्टार्टअप में मैंने एक चाय पत्ती लॉन्च करी है, ठीक है, उस चाय पत्ती का नाम हम कुछ भी रख सकते हैं, मिर्जापुर चाय पत्ती, ओके, एंड बबलू भैया विल बी द होल फेम ऑफ दैट, ठीक है, एक एड बना दिया हमने। नाउ यू केम टू अ शॉपकीपर एंड सेज यार अगर आपके पास कोई भी है ना तो बबलू भैया की चाय पत्ती रिकमेंड करना मिर्जापुर, ठीक है, टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। पीपल यूज टू रिकमेंड, नाउ देयर कम्स द सेम सेगमेंट, क्योंकि जिनको मिर्जापुर वेब सीरीज अच्छी लगी होगी वो शायद ये चाय पत्ती भी खरीद लेंगे या दे विल बाय दिस टी। Now the recommendation system is working in the same way that the person is working. It is communicating with the client behavior. When you have to develop such kind of systems, you have to come into the accountability of artificial intelligence. Each company is using, don't think Uber is not using, they are using, Samsung is using, Flipkart is using, Amazon is using, Google and Facebook are very beyond. They are using a technology which we cannot think here, I cannot define here, okay. They are using that kind of technology, Facebook, Google, okay, or other companies like Walmart. They are whole into the big giants, big fours, PwC Cooper, KPMGs. Now they are into a big domain, okay. Now if I'm talking about artificial intelligence, so from tomorrow, okay, I'm handing this particular point here only. From tomorrow we're going to dive into artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? What is AI? What is the core? And I promise you guys, those who belongs from a non-ITCS background, no, they will going to love this session for the next coming days. You won't have to you won't get bored while learning a code. Okay, you will enjoy while you will be learning the code. You will learn Python a little bit, you will understand what is machine learning little bit, you will understand what is artificial intelligence little bit, and then you will what you will do, you will make your own type of models and you can present to any of the startup. Okay, now just try to imagine what I'm trying to say. Ivan Luthra had already tossed the name, so he was going to fund in a project. Okay, now what is the project? Okay, now you know that people in India belongs from a very poor kind of background. Okay, now people cannot afford doctors, but people can generate reports. तो क्या करा उसने, लोगों से उनकी रिपोर्ट ली। अब रिपोर्ट में गाइस डॉक्टर के द्वारा लिखी हुई रिपोर्ट भी हो सकती है, मशीन जनरेटेड भी हो सकती है, और एट द लास्ट आपके पास उसकी एक्सरे भी हो सकती है एंड सो ऑन। उसने क्या करा, एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एक मॉडल क्रिएट करा। आप अपनी रिपोर्ट उसमें स्कैन करके फीड कराओ और उन रिपोर्ट के बेसिस पे वो आपको ये बता देगा कि आपको किस तरह की डिजीज है, उस डिजीज से रिलेटेड आपको किस तरह का क्या लेना है, ट्रीटमेंट लेना है, और अगर कोई डॉक्टर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल है तो आपको उसका नंबर भी सजेस्ट कर देगा। गाइस ये मैनकाइंड के लिए बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा यूजफुल एप्लीकेशन हो सकता है, बट कोई भी प्राइवेट सेक्टर इसको अप्लाई नहीं होने देगा। क्यों? क्योंकि शायद डॉक्टर्स की यहाँ पे फी कट हो जाएगी। जो बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, अपोलो एंड फोर्टिस, ये बंद हो जाएंगे। बट अगर आप गवर्नमेंट से फंड लेना चाहते हैं रिलेटेड, जो गवर्नमेंट होगी ना वो इसको एक बार में अप्रूव कर देगी। व्हाई? बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट थिंक्स फॉर पुअर रादर देन मेकिंग द richer more richer. Okay, now that is the point why we have to artificial intelligence। अब किसी भी फील्ड के हो गाइस, any field you belong, but at the one time or the one scope of the field, you have to learn this, the word called AI. क्योंकि AI जब स्टार्ट हुआ था तो मैकेनिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड से ही स्टार्ट हुआ था. कैसे स्टार्ट होता है, गोइंग टू टॉस दैट. उसके बाद इस कंप्यूटर साइंस ने इसको क्या कर दिया, अपने अंदर ग्रैस्प कर लिया और पूरी तरीके से इसको क्या बना दिया, CS फील्ड बना दी. अब कोई सोचता होगा सर मैकेनिकल वाला CS में क्या करेगा. It is, you are not going to computer science, you are not making computers, you are making the most important domain of computer science, that is called artificial intelligence. So from tomorrow guys, we'll move down towards artificial intelligence in a 4 basic way. But if you want to have an artificial intelligence ना, जैसे मैं आपसे अभी स्टार्टअप के बारे में बात करा, फिर AI से कौन कौन से स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट हुए हैं, कौन कौन से प्रोजेक्ट हैं जो हो डील कर रहे हैं, क्या हम ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं, we'll design a project also. Okay, you don't have to code, I will code, you only have to listen, you only have to think, then you will going to discuss the things. Now for any conversation guys, मैं आपसे कोई conversation कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को एक लैंग्वेज की जरूरत है या नहीं. सेम वे में अगर मुझे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से कन्वर्सेशन करना है ना, तो मुझे कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए. ठीक है, उस कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज कौन सी होगी, वर्ल्ड में कितने तरह की लैंग्वेजेस अभी अवेलेबल हैं, वो लैंग्वेज कितनी आसान है, कौन सी लैंग्वेज सबसे आसान है, हम उस पर बारे में बात करेंगे. और फ्रॉम टुमारो विल गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन अ वे directly interlinking the idea of startup. Okay guys, now I am holding my topic here only. Now I would like to have the doubt session. Now if anybody have any doubt regarding today's session, just let me know. I hope the session was not boring. It was interesting for you all, how the startup used to come, what type of market it used to come, how people used to think, from where the funding will come, what is the technology, how AI has been indulged, what kind of project you can create. Any doubt to anyone guys regarding this point? If you have any doubt, just kindly reply me the chat window. Fine, sounds there is no doubt. So tomorrow we're going to start with introduction, what is AI, what is the core, introduction, types of AI, domain of AI, languages used in AI, and projects, startups. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow, same time, and we're going to understand what is these things, what are this thing is it, what is a domain, how this domain works, and how these things actually work. And I will be going to take the projects, what the practical application we can take from a healthcare domain, we can take from a entertainment domain, or we can also take from a civil side domain, we can take from a mechanical side, we can take from a electronic side, and many more. Okay, so till then, have a nice day and be safe guys.